Here's a game to make in the kitchen on a rainy day. You need a plastic bowl, you need 2 plastic measuring cups, a couple of marbles and some sticky tape. And here's what you do. First of all, you take a piece of sticky tape and you place it across the handle of one of the cups, in that position there. Then you place it right next to the edge of the bowl, trying to make the lip of the cup come right next to the edge of the bowl, in that position there, right next to each other. Then, directly opposite that, you place the other cup. First of all, sticky tape across the handle, and then place it up so that the lip of the cup is next to the edge of the bowl, and then carefully stick the tape down in that position there. Now, 1 marble goes in one of the plastic cups. Let's pop that one in there. The object of the game is to put the other marble in the bowl and then try and make it go into the other plastic cup without the first marble coming out. Oh, easy you say, just tip it. All right, let's try that. Slowly, but this one came right across and in, the other one's still sitting there. Maybe I need to tip it more rapidly. Okay, let's try this. With a rapid tip, we lost the other one. Well, I don't know what you think, but I think that's impossible. Well, is it impossible? No, it isn't. Actually, if we get that marble in the bowl spinning, maybe that'll help us. Let's have a look at this. So if we get it spinning, there's something called centrifugal force, which means anything spinning is pulled outwards. And because the sides of the bowl are sloped, it means it goes upwards towards the edge. And then if we time it correctly, maybe we can get the marble to go right up to the top edge of the bowl and... well, that one went too late, didn't it? And it went past the cup. Let's try it again. Okay, I'll tilt it over a little bit, get it spinning slowly, bring it up to the lip of the bowl and near the cup and almost, but not quite. I think third time will be lucky. What do you think? Here we go. Problem solved.
Curiosity.